What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. We're going to be reviewing and playing around with a brand new collection from Wet n Wild. There's a couple pieces here, so hold on a second. So this brand new collection is called the Rebel Rose collection from Wet n Wild. There's a bunch of pieces to it, so here it is. We have some pieces down here. We have lip gloss, liquid lipstick, 2 brushes, a cream blush, 3 eyeshadow palettes, and then we also have some skincare. So we have a toner, an oil, a serum, a jelly balm, and a lip scrub. So I'm going to be trying to use all of these products right here in a full-on video tutorial for you guys and creating a look with everything. First, I'm going to do a couple of swatches for you guys for the color products, the eyeshadow palettes, the cream blush, and the lip products, and then we're going to move on to the tutorial. So if you want to see the swatches, keep watching, and if you want to see just the tutorial, skip ahead a bit. Alright guys, getting into these swatches, this is one of my favorite palettes from the collection. It seemed to be the most pigmented and prettiest colors, like part of the collection, the Rebel Rose collection. This is the second palette. Little disappointed in this one. The green wasn't as green as I thought it was going to be. And same thing for this guy right here. Definitely like the shimmer colors in these collections, but the colors really weren't matching what the true color was showing in the palettes, but they seemed like pretty decent when I used them. Then we're moving on to the lip colors part of this collection. It came with 2 matte lipsticks, and those lipsticks are called, sorry, I have them in front of me. We have Deviant Damsel, which is the dark purple matte lipstick, and then this color right here, the red matte lipstick, is called Kiss of Death. And then we have the 2 glosses. The first purple gloss is called Bud Romance, and then this gloss right here is called Petal Poison. So first I'm going to use the Rose Toner Mist. Feels nice. It smells really good too. So here is the oil. I'm going to just like put a little on my hand. I'm not going to put it on my face just because I don't want my face to get too oily, but I want to try it out. It's got beautiful little like roses in it. Feels really nice, and it's not as oily as I thought it would be. It's on both my hands right now. It feels like it soaks in a bit, and it smells just like the toner, just a little bit lesser of a scent than the toner. Like the toner scent is a very strong rose scent, and this is more of like just like a subtle rose scent. So then we have the Rose Lip Scrub. It smells very weird. It actually tastes better than it smells, interesting enough. That's so weird. Then we have the Wet n Wild Jelly Balm. Ooh, this feels cool. Okay. It looks like this is turning my lips a little pink. Yep, that is exactly what it does. Oh boy. So you can see it on my hand. I'll show you guys. There you go. It's gonna turn to just a natural pink. So that's what that does. I'm just gonna dab that off for that reason, because when you use stuff like this, it stains. And I don't wanna mix it in with our foundation. Oh my God, that tastes so bad. Oh. So the jelly balm is a no for me. I don't like things that change the color of my lips like that, just because they'll start to mix with the rest of my foundation and powder and things like that, and then it'll like move around my face and turn like the rest of my face pink, if that makes any sense to you guys. So now we're gonna try the final product, part of like the skincare. This is the Rose Primer Serum. Super pretty packaging. I mean, look at it. Isn't that so cute? Oh, so I'm just gonna take about 3 dabs. Has the same rose scent. And just put it on. Cute, cute, cute. I like this. So now we're gonna move on to this part of the collection, which is the color. And we're gonna use an eyeshadow palette. Let's see. I think I might want to mix. So hold on a moment while I brainstorm a second. Alright, so getting into the tutorial, you guys, I'm starting off with the Sephora Pro palette. This is the Editorial 2.0 palette. I'm just using this color to kind of transition. There really wasn't a transition color that I really wanted to use from the palettes, so I just decided to kind of start off with this transition color and a little bit of a darker purple. Then we're going to jump into one of the palettes. I'm going to use the red and the color above the red and the color to the left of the red from this palette. Well, hello school bus, thanks for joining. So I'm just going to add those. I added the red and the darker colors to the outer corners, and then I'm going to cut the crease with some Tarte Shape Tape. So I'm just using a very thin brush and doing kind of like a half cut crease, and then using that pink shade I was telling you guys about, and I'm just going to put that on the center of the lid, and then I'm using the shimmery color in the inner corner. It wasn't as soft as I wanted it to be. It was a little bit chunky, so I did end up using my finger, but I made it work. And then I'm using the Man Eater liquid liner from Tarte. I didn't wing it, I just kind of lined the top so we could hide the falsies that we're going to put on. These are also from Tarte, and I also applied some mascara, and then we're using some primer from Cover Effects, and then some foundation from IT Cosmetics. You saw a little snippet of my video right there, coming soon with a review of the new IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Foundation. Then I'm going to apply some Tarte Shape Tape to my under eyes and all the other highlight areas, and then I'm going to set everything with the Marc Jacobs Invisible Powder. Little bit underneath the eyes with a sponge, and then blend the rest of it with a brush all over the rest of my face. For bronzer, I'm using the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess. Ta-da! Voila! So there is a blush in this collection. It is the Cream Blush Limited Edition Rose in Peace. It's black, and when you rub your finger on it, it turns to kind of your perfect pink, which is really, really cool. I am really, really terrified of putting this on my face because I feel like it's going to ruin this look. It does stain too, and I really don't want to stain my face. This is just a product that type of product I would more so say that I'm not in love with. So I'm just going to apply a normal blush. Sorry. So now I'm applying my Gen Nude blush from Bare Minerals and this beautiful, beautiful Lilac Geode highlighter from Becca Cosmetics, and apply that everywhere you want it. Wanted this to be super, super glowy. Then I'm using a Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil. I believe this was in the color Share. You can use my code Julia for some money off if you wanted to purchase this or anything else from Gerard Cosmetics. I'm going to fill in my lips as much as I can, and then kind of ombre it out. I'm using a lipstick from MAC. All the details are in the description, so make sure to check that out. And then topping it off with one of the glosses from the Wet n Wild Rebel Rose collection. And that's it. Alright guys, that's it for my review, swatches, and tutorial on the brand new Rebel Rose collection from Wet n Wild. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below and let me know if you guys are going to pick up any of the products from this new collection. And if you have tried it already, let me know what your favorites are. Let me know your thoughts too on Wet n Wild's skincare collection, because it looks like to me that they are starting to dive into a different category. And I'm very interested to hear you guys' thoughts. As always, you guys, make sure to subscribe to me by clicking my face right in the center of the screen. Hey! And check out all of my other videos on the side. Love you guys, and I will see you really, really soon. Bye!